So in this video we are going to discuss about the importance of bryophytes. So in the previous video we have discussed about the detailed introduction of the bryophytes, the general characteristics. We have discussed the life cycle. Bryophytes are basically mostly live in the forest, and as you guys all know, they are the non-vascular plants, which means that they are having no xylem bundle. So we'll say how they are getting nutrients, food, and all. So they are just getting nutrients and food for by the simple diffusion that we have discussed. The detailed introduction and general characteristics in the previous video. If you guys haven't watched that video, kindly watch that video, and if you guys have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Alright, so we are going to discuss about the importance of the bryophytes. Bryophytes are what? Bryophytes are plants, non-vascular plants. So they live in mostly in the forest region. So their bryophytes development is on the forest ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem is the interaction of the living and the non-living. So we have three type of ecosystem: forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, and they live on the forest ecosystem. And they basically bryophytes are they basically develop the ecosystem. How they basically develop the ecosystem? By recycling the nutrients, like from the decomposer. We are having the dead material. From that they are recycling the nutrients again and again. That is, the cycle is continuously boiling. So they are basically developing the ecosystem by recycling the nutrients, as well as they basically are the bioindicators. What is bioindicators? Bioindicators basically indicate that pollution is there or not. So they are bioindicator of air pollution. You can see how they are benefit for our ecosystem. Secondly, we are having that they provide basically food for small mammals, alright, birds, and etc. Next, we are having that they prevent from the erosion. What is erosion? Erosion is basically not to break the parts of the plant, like that basically prevent from the erosion, which means that, as you guys all know, the plants are basically having what the plants are some parts of the plants basically got break and all. So they will prevent that from the plant, alright, and they will hold the surface of the soil. So they basically prevent from the erosion, which means from just any disease and all. The leaf basically got fall and all, so that will prevent from the erosion. Alright, so we are having the peat mosses. What is peat mosses? It is a group of mosses. And what is mosses? Mosses is a we can say the species of the bryophytes. So that is also used as a organic matter, and they are having a water holding capacity. Alright, so this was about the importance of the bryophytes. Next importance, if we talk about, so that is also involved in the insecticidal activities. What does this mean by the insecticidal activities? So insecticidal activities, which means that they are basically used as a chemical to kill the insects. They are used as a chemical to use the insects to kill the insects. Sorry, to kill the insects. Alright, so next, if we talk about, that is in the ancient time, and now the bryophytes is used in the disorders. How? Liverworts. Alright, we are in the liverworts. It is also a species of the bryophytes. We can take the example of the marchantia. Alright, and this is used in the liver disorder, to treat the liver disorder. Alright, we are in the polytrichum. This is also a species of the bryophyte that is used in the curing of the pneumonia, that is used for the lymphocytic leukemia. So that is what, that is a blood cancer. That is, you can see how it is uh, working as a used in the human disorder. Alright, that is a lymphocytic leukemia. So that is what that is the blood cancer. So that is also this polytrichum is used for the disorders, for to prevent from the disorder. As well as if we talk about the peat mosses, that is also known as what, peat mosses was there, peat mosses, that is also known as a soil conditioner. Alright, as well as if we talk about the bryophytes are initiated the soil formation. So we will see that how important the bryophytes are plants. So this was about the importance of the bryophytes.